Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make onion tomato chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I took 2 onion and I sliced this one, and here I took 3 big red tomatoes. So let's start the recipe. So take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. So here I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. In this I am going to add that tomato and onion, and we have to fry that both the things for 3 to 4 minutes. So along with the tomato and onion, here I am adding 4 red chilies. So this is spicy guys, that's why I added 4. If you have a Kashmiri chili, you can add 8 to 9 Kashmiri chilies into this, and I am going to fry all these things together for 2 to 3 minutes. So I put the tomato, onion and this red chili in the mixie jar, and I'm going to add some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your onion tomato chutney. And I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. So I blend it as a very smooth paste, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same kadai. In this I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil is hot we have to add the mustard seeds, and if you have a fresh curry leaf you can add that one also, but I don't have the curry leaf at my home, so I'm not adding. So here I added the mustard seeds, and when it starts spluttering we have to add the ing powder and this paste. So here I added the ing powder, and I added the 2 red chilies also, and I'm going to add this paste into this, and we have to cook this chutney until it absorbs all the oil. Can you see the oil? So yeah, so we have to cook this one for 5 to 7 minutes in a medium flame. And today I'm making this chutney for dosa at my home, and you can spread this chutney in the dosa also, which I will show you to you guys. So my chutney is ready guys, and I cooked for 5 to 7 minutes in a medium flame. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, here I'm preparing the dosa, and I'm going to apply some chutney inside the dosa, which is called chutney dosa. So I took some chutney and I'm going to apply. This dosa is very tasty guys. So can you see the color of the dosa? It's very crisp, and inside I applied some chutney, and I'm going to remove this one from the pan. So here I put the chutney, and today I prepared the hotel sambar for the dosa. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make dosa chutney or onion and tomato chutney at your home for idli and dosa. So see you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And I'm going to have this dosa very crisp, and bye.